Wow!
Parang mahina! Parang gusto nyo enjoy!
Well, that was our first time for performing our girl group dance. How do we feel, guys? How do we feel?
Kakahingan!
Okay lang ang sound ko.
Other things.
Yes.
Try girl groups. Yeah. And before I proceed, papakilala po muna tayo. 1 to 6, all is one. Hello, we are Sixers. Hello po, my name is Hello guys, Axis. Hello everyone, my name is Kaiser. Hi, my name is Luigi. Joke lang. Hello po, my name is Ruko.
Tishay Hunter!
Grabe naman.
Actually, nung pinapractice po namin yung girl group dance, we find it very hard talaga. Because kami lang din yung nagturo sa sarili namin. Sobrang hirap talaga guys ng mga girl group dances. Kaya salit po sa mga girl groups dyan sa atin.
Yes.
K-pop and K-pop.
And of course, gusto natin magpasalamat sa KTO for inviting us here and to perform. Of course, we are very thankful for you guys. Maraming salamat po. And of course, sa mga essence natin na nagpunta. Kahit sobrang layo, thank you guys.
Thank you. And of course, later po, if you have time, punta po kayo sa KTO Villa. Sa mga books po nila, you can check their books there.
Yes, sir. Next song.
Ay, kahit dalawa.
KTO po Villa.
Parang may gusto mo. Ano yun? Intro. Next song natin. Okay na, next song na.
Ito na nga.
Ito na nga.
So you may like it. Sino sa inyo ang familiar na sa newest single ng Sixers? Pag-isigaw mo yung title! Ayun na. So the song, para sa inyong lahat na nakikinig ngayon sa Moa Arena. Sa mga taga-Moa Arena, hello! So itong katang is our newest single. Of course, napakinggan nyo na siya sa mga streaming platforms, yung mga supporters natin, of course, Essence. And today, we're going to perform Para Sa'yo. Hope you guys like it.
MG Music Video, or you can see that on YouTube as well.
Again, gusto lang po namin magpasalamat ulit sa pag-invite po sa amin sa Korean Tourism Organization. Thank you so much po sa KTO. If you have time after the event, you can go sa KTO Pavilion. May mga booths po sila doon and you guys can check their booths there.
Yes. Now, yung next song natin, medyo parang kumalma-kalma na sila, pwede na sila ulit mahalik. No? Party na! Party na ulit. Party na tayo.
Sila kakalma tayo.
Sila lang yung kakalma. Actually, pa nga ako eh.
Ready na ba kayo for another song? Let's go!
Parang manila lang, parang manila.
Isa pa! That's the energy we're looking for.
Our next song is called Amin Amin and it's by Sixers.
And here goes our debut single, Amin Amin. You can listen to all digital streaming platforms. And sabihin niyo na po yung other songs namin. Nagustuhan niyo po ba?
Parang hindi nila gusto ka. Saba! Nagustuhan ba? Sige, sabi daw. Sige, sabi. Nagustuhan niyo ba? Ano sa babo? Oo, uy.
Opo.
Ito. Ready pa ba kayo sa isang song? Ay, kami. Kasi kami hindi na. Siya.
Ayaw nyo na daw.
Ito, si habang naghahanap ng ano si Gary G.
Go, Mary G.
Ito guys, sino sa inyo ang fan ng B? Ng B? Sino? Ng B?
Ng Bieber?
B!
Bieber.
Yes! Yes! Fan kami.
Sasali ka sa amin.
Gusto niyo po ba
naka-purple
makakita
dyan.
ng isang performance na gamit ang song ng BTS?
Purple guys.
Parang yun.
Ay, kaya pala ako
Baka mas malakas.
naka-purple. Kaya pala dapat naka-purple. Magkagano sana ako kasi.
Kasi nga naman dito. Let's go! This is Dynamite by The Ring Dynamite. Dynamite. Oh, Dynamite by Dynamite by BTS. Yeah!
Amazing performance indeed by Six Sense. Now they're going to Bebop and K-pop on the rise. So what are you waiting for? This is the Korean Tourism Pavilion here at Travel Mass Expo. And for the next gala to Korea, or the next gala actually, to Korea.
Yeah, that's not. Isa lang for our social media accounts, please do follow us at Six Sense Official. It's 6ENSC Official. And for our website, it's www.sixsenseofficial.com. Once again. Okay, once again, we are Six Sense. Hey, folks. Guys. Hello po, ako po yung si LA. Hello everyone, my name is Kaiser. Hello guys, my name is Axis. Thank you. Again, I'm Luigi. RGKO, Ruto.
And my name is Hunter. And we are Sixes! Thank you. Have a good day, everyone. This is KTO Pavilion. Love you guys.